Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to sell your gift card on Carding app. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification and make sure you share this video for more people to see. Now let's get started guys. If you want to sell your gift card on Carding app, this is what you are going to do. First, let's go to Play Store. Download the app Carding app. Let me search. You search for Carding, and this is the second one, Carding sell gift card. Download this app to your phone, and after you have done that, if it is iPhone, go to your Apple Store and download it. And I'm going to open it. If it is an Android, go to your Play Store and download it. And you can see down here, you see sign up. Down here, you see sign up. Click on sign up. Do you understand right now? Put your phone number here, or you might want to use your Gmail. Click on Gmail and you put your Gmail. Do you understand right now? For example, let's use our phone number. This is what you are going to do first. Write your phone number 70 19 73 73 24. Do you understand right now? And the second one, you see verification code. Leave that verification code first and go to password. Jump to password. Make sure you write your password like this, Godwin. Make sure you start with capital letter and add number at the front of it. Then add something like this or something like this or something like this. Do you understand right now? And it will go instantly. And you repeat it again. You repeat it again to heart. Do you understand right now? And the next thing is your invitation code. They want to know how you get to know about this application. That is why they ask you to put your invitation code, and you are going to put this CE 7474 FB3 FB3. Make sure you put this invitation code. Do you understand right now, guys? This is they will be able to know how you get to know this application. And after you have done this is what you are going to do. Right now, you can see at the front of verification code, there is send at the front of it. Tap that send. Immediately you tap that send, they are going to send a code to your phone number. Do you understand right now? And make sure you put that code here to where it's a verification. It will start counting. Then before the number get to 0, make sure you put that verification code and click on sign up. If it is Gmail, they're going to send code to your Gmail, and take that code and put it here and click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, you have successfully registered, guys. I have my own account before. I'm just going to log in and show you the necessary things to do right now. Let me go to my account right now. I'm going to sign in right now. Okay, let me put my password. Yeah. Right now I've logged in, guys, and immediately you sign up, they're gonna give you a bonus of 3,000 naira. Do you understand right now? But you will not be able to withdraw it until you trade your first gift card on the Carding app. Do you understand right now? And this is what you are going to do to sell your gift card. And after we sell the gift card, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money to your bank account as well. You understand right now? But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed before. And don't forget to share this video for more people to see. And also like this video, guys. Now you click on sell, you see sell at the middle. And you can see categories. Select the categories of the gift card you want to sell. If it is Apple Card, if it is eBay, if it is Vanilla, you choose the one you want to sell. Let's use Apple Card as an example, and you choose the country of your gift card. Let's use US as an example, and you write your the balance of your gift card. If it is $10, $20, $100, make sure you write the balance here. And the next thing you are going to do is select the type of your gift card. You know, Apple Card have 4 types, and I'm going to select whiteboard, the common one, as an example. And the next thing you are going to do is write your, and you can see it has shown the amount of this gift card at the top. You can see the amount 115,884 naira, guys. Now this is what you are going to do. Next, you click here and write the code of your gift card. And after you write it, you can click sell. Immediately you click sell. In a few minutes, you are going to receive your money. It's going to say sources, and you're going to receive your money. And if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, you just click upload picture. You click upload from gallery, and you select, let's say for example, this is the image of your picture, you select it and hide it. You can see it as uploaded. And let's say your picture is two, your gift card is two, and both of the two are $100. You just have to tap on the next box to upload the second one, and you click on send and you are done. Now let's say you have sent your gift card and you want to withdraw your money. This is what you are going to do. You go to this three line up here. You can see this three line at the left corner. You click on it and it's going to look like this. Click on wallet. Do you understand right now? You see add bank card. Do you understand right now? Click on add bank card. Add bank card. My bank is already there. I'm just going to show you how to do this. Click on add bank card. Select the bank you are using. Select the bank and choose the bank you are using. All the Nigerian banks are here, and name the name of your bank, the account number, and write the password of your carding app here and click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, it will, your account number will be added successfully. You can see my OP here, and after you have done that, you just come back here and click on withdraw. Immediately you click on withdraw, you write the amount you want to withdraw. Do you understand? And you can see the minimum you can withdraw is 8,000 upward. Do you understand right now? So if you write, after you write the amount you want to withdraw, and if you want to withdraw your money, you are good to go. After you write it, you sit down here, confirm to withdraw, and you click on confirm to withdraw. Immediately you click on confirm to withdraw, your money is going to drop into your bank account instantly. Do you understand right now? So this is how to sell your gift card on Carding app, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be giving you more updates. One love, guys.